Somebody it'll be more comfortable. Sit over here. There you go. I know it's a lot of work, but I think everybody happy.
Look at me.
Let's see, the young lady who's on the floor in front of me. Can you come over and sit your chair back and sit
That's my Amanda. Look at her. It's like drunk Amanda.
I have a cheer for you right there. Sorry about that. I didn't want to close a little bit. There we go. Okay? All right, you guys feeling good? Who wants to get hypnotized? Raise your hand if you want to try this. You want to try it? Why not, right? Okay, before I do this, I want to make sure you guys are all feeling well. Feel good?
Look at Amanda.
Nobody has any back pain or neck pain, right? Nobody has a headache. But I want to make sure you're all feeling a little bit